QR codes have proven to be an effective marketing tool. They've helped many brands grow and boost sales. So with QR Tiger, you can achieve this and more. Stay tuned and we'll show you how.
Just because something is aged doesn't mean it should be outdated. With QR codes, you can modernize your brand while still upholding tradition. This will help you stand out and boost your winery by adding just 1 square inch of data on your wine bottles. You can embed anything on your QR codes like your company website, contact information, social media pages, informational videos, event promotions, and more. The benefits of using QR codes on your wine bottles include brand awareness through sharing history and brand advocacies, customer engagement and building communities in social media, and establishing connections with people and other brands. You can achieve all these by heading on over to QR Tiger to start creating your QR codes. But before you go, I will give you some tips towards leveling up your brand. When using QR codes for your wine bottles, remember the following. Use dynamic QR codes. Using a dynamic QR code when generating a QR code for your marketing campaign gives you the advantage of editing and tracking the data embedded on your QR codes. You will be presented with helpful insights and data on how many people have scanned your QR code, the scanner's location and when they scanned it, and the device they used. This data can be used and referenced in creating smart campaigns in the future for a more effective way to market your products and services. Create captivating landing pages. Having an interactive landing page promotes more engagement in customers. You can add a video on your company's history or how your wine is being processed from the vineyard to their dining table. Involving customers in your campaigns helps in making it more successful and furthering your brand. Strategically place your QR codes. Choose a strategic location in placing your QR code on the wine bottle. You can creatively place it on the label, the neck, the cork, or the cap. Add a call to action. Don't just leave your QR codes bare. Adding a call to action phrase like scan for a surprise or know my story increases the chances of it being scanned by customers. QR codes can be a very effective marketing tool if you know how to use them the right way. They help you save time, money, and effort while making your campaigns more effective.
That's it. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell for the latest updates. You can also go to QR Tiger's website to start creating your own custom QR codes. And for further education on QR codes, click the link to our blog in the description box below. This has been David. I'll see you in the next video.